If you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you probably figured out that I like fire and pretty much anything to do with fire, any ways to make fire. In this video, we're going to take a look at a fire kit, the Fire SFK1 Survival Fire Kit from the folks at Backwoods Biker. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So folks at Backwoods Biker were kind enough to send me one of their SFK1 Survival Fire Kits, which is based on a family recipe from the 1700s. So pretty cool there. Enough to make 20 fires in here. Since I've got to make a couple other videos related to fire stuff, I thought I would just go ahead and use this to start the fire, show you how well it works. So let me give you a quick close-up of it, because there's no doubt that this is going to work. So there's enough in here for 20 fires, but it comes with this pretty heavy-duty striker here and a ferro rod on a string. You can't even see that, can you? Let me get it back here. So it's a whole cake of stuff, and it's got cotton fiber on the back of it to catch a spark quickly. So let me just set this down. We'll just take this little corner right here. We'll try, there's a little cake of it. So there's a little bit right there. We'll just take that and just use that. So I've got a fire lay built down here, a little cheesy fire lay. Let me go ahead and we'll take you down to that, and we'll set that up, and then we'll see how well stuff works. How well this stuff works. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. We've got the the ground's kind of wet here, so I'm going to set this here on a piece of wood. Just kind of keep it off the ground for a minute, and we'll just see how well this thing, if it'll catch a spark and get it going. Let's let her go. Let me find the right side of this. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at her. She's going. Let's dump her underneath there. We can get the cake of stuff going. Oh yeah, it's burning now. That whole mixture of whatever it is, their proprietary family recipe is going. I think we've achieved ignition at this point. That's kind of a jacked up fire lay, but we'll go ahead and let her go anyway. Man, look at that stuff burn. That is some good burning. Whatever it is, it's burning down there. It's burning good. I'm gonna put some more wood on here. Hey, it's flaming up really good. Let that stuff just get catching the wood there, and we'll be good to go. I think we have a fire. Man, whatever it is burning like nobody's business. Still, you can still see the fire starter burning. That's catching up into the wood now, which is cool. Wow, look at that stuff go, man. That's amazing. Wow. I don't know, it seems like it's soaked with rocket fuel. Maybe that's their proprietary version. Kind of catching up into the wood now, so it might be pretty good. Okay, I had to get back far enough where you can see me and the fire, hopefully, but wow. Gotta say, I don't know if you noticed that, but just one strike with the ferro rod onto that cotton, and then it caught the whatever their proprietary family mix is on fire, and it burned like rocket fuel. It was pretty amazing. Okay, well, I've started a lot of fires in my life. I've checked out a lot of different fire starters, and I gotta say, I don't know that I've ever had one that just absolutely did that good a job that quickly. The Backwoods Biker SFK1 Survival Fire Kit, with their, I guess, centuries-old family recipe, been modified over the years. I don't know if it's the cotton or whatever they use, but the cotton caught that spark like that, and then immediately, once the proprietary blend of whatever it is started burning, it was like a rocket. It was amazing, and it just stinking works. So I'll put a link below in the description to where you can go check yours out. They're like $10 for this kit for 20 fires, so that's like 50 cents a fire. Pretty good to have in an emergency situation if you just need to build a fire right now and don't want to fool around with a bunch of stuff. So There you go. Thanks to the folks at Backwoods Biker for sending me this. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there. And if you're not subscribed, you click right down there, click that subscribe button, and be sure and click that little bell so you don't miss a single video. Otherwise, YouTube won't notify you. I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.